Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to create a row concatenation using XML path in SQL Server. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI and DAX, and also integration services. So now we'll go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand. So what's today video demo? So for timing, already I have written the script, so I will try to explain each and every step what I have done here is. Okay, so for today demo purpose, I am creating one table, that is employee test. In that, so I have two columns, one is ID and name. Okay, so and also I have some dummy data like around 7 rows are there. So we'll try to execute one by one first. Okay, just click on execute. So table complete successfully. Now I will try to insert this data. Execute. Okay, 7 rows are affected. Now I will try to fire a select statement. So what will see the data? So now you can see that. So ID1 Ram, Raju, Ramu, Subbu, Rani, whatever it is. So the data will be like this. But as for my requirement, so for ID column, so for the single ID we have two different names. Okay, here also for single ID two different names. Same thing for third ID also different names. In that case, so based on ID value, I just want to concatenate the names by using comma separator, whatever it is. Okay, based on ID, I just want to separate the names because the same ID have different names. So that's why we'll try to do that. Based on ID, we'll try to concatenate the rows by using comma separator in this video. Now what I'm going to do here is, by using XML path, I'll try to concatenate by using comma separator. Okay, we'll try to see that. Click on execute. Now you can see that. So in last, okay, I'll try to execute both the queries so that you will get some more understanding how it is transforming row concatenations. Just click on execute. Now you can see that this is the input. So from this input we are trying to convert into output like this. Even though for ID1 we have two names, but here based on ID we are trying to concatenate by putting some comma separator under. For same ID2 also, for same ID3. Okay, likewise we can do this by using for XML path. But here one problem is there. I'll try to show that. If you notice clearly, so for every row we are getting, I'll try to paste it here so that we can see clearly. Now we can see that comma separator. For every row we'll get comma separator, right? So in that case we need to remove this comma separator. So for that I am using the stuff function. Okay, to remove the comma separator I am trying to remove the stuff function. So what it is doing, so basically what are the query I have written here, I'm trying to take into a first parameter. So from the starting position 1, how many characters? 1 characters. So I'm just replacing that comma with some blanks. Okay, now if I execute this query like this, you will get expected output. In this output there is no comma at all. If you want, I'll try to paste it here so that we can see clearly. See, there is no comma because we have removed by using a stuff function and all. So likewise we can do the row concatenation by using the XML path in SQL Server. So going forward we will try to post more different scenarios like interview questions and real-time oriented queries, how to h1 all. We'll try to see going forward. So that's all for today's video. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comment in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.